In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Zoho CRM account. We're going to keep this simple and easy to follow so you can sign in without any confusion. If you're new to Zoho CRM, this is the basic process you'll use anytime you want to access your account and start exploring the platform. To begin, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use any common browser, such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. The important thing is that your browser is updated and connected to the internet so the page loads properly. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar or address bar and type in Zoho CRM. Press Enter, then look for the official Zoho CRM website in the search results. Open the correct page so you can access the login area safely. It's always a good idea to make sure you are visiting the official site before entering any account details. When the Zoho CRM page opens, find the login option. Click on it to begin signing in. At this point, you'll usually see a few different ways to access your account. You can log in using Google or another sign-in method that you normally use for your Zoho account. Choose the option that matches the way you originally created your account, or the one you use most often. After selecting your login method, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Depending on the sign-in option you choose, you may need to confirm your identity, enter your account details, or complete a quick verification step. Just move through each screen carefully and make sure the information is correct before continuing. If everything is entered properly, Zoho CRM will take you directly into your account. From there, you can start exploring the dashboard and get familiar with the tools available inside the platform. If this is your first time logging in, take a moment to look around so you can understand where your main features and menus are located. As a quick tip, if you plan to use Zoho CRM often, you may want to bookmark the login page in your browser for faster access next time. Also, if you ever run into trouble signing in, double-check that you're using the same login method you used when setting up your account. That's it. Once you open your browser, search for Zoho CRM, choose your login method, and follow the on-screen prompts, you'll be ready to access and explore your Zoho CRM account.